All right, guys, we got a bit of a special Cj7 here. I think the best thing to do is just show it to you, and then I'll tell you about it. Let's uncover it.
Oh, that was it.
Okay, so as you can see, it's a 1985 Cj7, and it needs some work, and it's had a little bit of stuff done to it. This CJ, it's been back halved. I bought it like this, so it had the DOM roll cage already done on the back end. At one point in time, it was a rock crawler that got parted out, and this is what I bought. What will we be doing to it? We're going to be putting an LS in the front, a built 4L60E in the middle, an Atlas 4-speed transfer case in the back. We got a 14 bolt for the rear and a 60 for the front. We're going to be doing a 4-link in the back and a 3-link in the front with coilovers all the way around, 40-inch tires, and hopefully some bead locks. We'll show you guys the full build process. We're really looking forward to building this thing. Anyhow, first step is to put it in the garage. Let's go, let's get her in the garage. Alright guys, we got this thing in the garage and we got it up on jack stands. If you're asking, yes, we totally did use the winch cable off of one of our other Jeeps through a snatch block off the ceiling to raise the back end up in the air, and it worked really well, by the way. The next video we do of this Jeep will be of installing and mounting up the drivetrain and figuring out where all that's going to go. We're really looking forward to building this Jeep. It's going to be a pretty awesome buggy when we're done with it. If you're into off-roading, rock crawling, and all things Jeep, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. As always, guys, stay active and keep exploring.